In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Slack. We'll walk through the entire process from inside Zapier. So by the end, you'll have your Slack workspace connected and ready to use in your automations. Before we jump into Zapier, make sure you're already logged into the Slack workspace you want to connect in your browser. This just avoids extra login steps later and helps Zapier pick the correct workspace when you authorize access. Now, head over to your Zapier account. Once you're on the Zapier home screen, look for the section or menu item called App Connections. This is where Zapier manages all the apps that can talk to each other in your Zaps. Go ahead and click App Connections to open that page. On the App Connections page, you'll see a list of apps you've already connected, if you have any. To add a new one, look for the button labeled Add Connection. Click that, and Zapier will open a panel or a new view where you can search for the app you want to connect. In the search field that appears, start typing Slack. As you type, Zapier will filter the results. When you see Slack appear in the list of apps, click on it. This tells Zapier that you want to add Slack as a new connection. After selecting Slack, you'll see another Add Connection button specifically for Slack. Click this button to begin the authorization process. At this point, Zapier will redirect you to Slack's permissions page. Here, Slack will show you what Zapier is requesting access to in your workspace. You might see a list of permissions related to reading channels, sending messages, managing files, and similar actions. Take a moment to scroll through and review these, especially if you're working in a shared or company workspace and need to be aware of what the integration can do. If everything looks good and you're comfortable granting those permissions, scroll to the bottom of that page and click the Allow button. This is what actually authorizes Zapier to connect to your Slack workspace. Once you click Allow, Slack will redirect you back to Zapier, and you should see Slack listed as a connected app in your App Connections. From here, you're ready to start building Zaps that send messages to channels, post notifications, or automate your Slack activity using Zapier.